Good morning. It's bird watching time here in the backyard. Got a lot of blue jays. Actually, they're not chasing the little sparrows off too much today. And here comes the pigeon guys. This is like a happy time for them, I guess. Got a couple little sparrows over here on the feeder too. Interesting little guys, the way they had the black around their necks. Got some down on the ground here too. I don't know where all the blue jays took off to. There's 3 or 4 of them here a while ago. One dove chased the other 2 doves off, but that's no problem. They just come over here and get some seed off the grass up right below the feeder. The little guys knock it off to them. We got a little yellow guy down there this morning. One with an orange head. And a couple common looking sparrows too. Oh, there's that blue jay. He chased the dove off. Oops, sorry about the phone. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the birds with me today in my backyard. The phone gets annoying. I don't answer it. Unless it's somebody I know, and it never is. It's just somebody trying to sell me something all the time. If you like these bird videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in this morning and checking out the birds with me in my backyard.